Hello, thank you so much. First of all, I would like to congratulate my students. Since last 30 plus years, I've been teaching, always in the classroom. I am teaching to my students. That means I am survived. That means I am succeed. That means I am in this business. So how come you are in so long you teaching? The good example is when you keep them satisfied, that is the success story. No matter whether it is a educational institute or any business organizations. I'm a marketing professor. My main concern and my main success story I would like to share with my teammates. The best part is you have to be engaged with your students. How are you going to be engaged? That for me, it is so easy. Within the first or second week of the semester, I would know everyone's name. How it is possible? So it's an easy way. You know what? Just visit to every single student. You have a blank attendance sheet. Ask them to write it. Don't ask their name. Once they write it, see their name, visualize with that person with the name. Next day, you call that person's name by their name next day in the class. Then the students are so surprised, and the students say, well, you are so engaged. The students say, you take care so much. That is one of the, the best examples and strategic to engage with your students. The other part is you cannot guarantee sometime you may not be following the right track. In that case, what I do, at least twice a semester, I would ask my students to reflect. I would ask them to start, continue. That means students might be liking my strategy, the student might want more, or student may not like some of the strategy. So that way I get a really good feedback to improve myself. And then there are so many different ways to connect with that. Connect with the students on the hallway. When you see anywhere, you start talking with them. So that is the best part. And then for sure, you have to be command in your master topic, in your command in your master. So you have to know what you are teaching about. You must be ready to teach them, but the teaching methods must be the way how I teach. I engage them. I'm always with them. And the students, based on my feedback, you can see my previous semester, all my feedbacks. I see that I feel so proud of my way of teaching. The students like my teaching strategy. I'm connected with them. The connection is asking with their name, going to every single student, talking with them. If one student was absent in the last class, go to closely, and then I ask them, where you been? Are you okay? When you connect with that way, the students are so happy. So I am ready to give my full lectures if I get a time. For now, I think this is the only I am allowed to bring my teaching experience to this team. Thank you.